You're tired, aren't you? Tired of holding everyone together while you're falling apart. Tired of giving love to people who never gave it back. Tired of smiling when it hurt to breathe. You've carried the weight of others while your own soul is bleeding. You've cried yourself to sleep and thought no one noticed. But God noticed. Every tear that fell was caught in His hands. Every prayer you never spoke, He heard. Every ache you hid behind your smile, He felt. You are not forgotten. He was with you in the breaking, and He is with you in the healing. So let go of the pain. Release the anger. God saw it all, and He will heal it all. Rest in Him, because the past does not define you. His presence does. And in His presence, you are safe, you are whole, you are free. Sometimes God will engineer transitions in your life. Sometimes He'll push you down roads you never would have chosen for yourself. Because He is the author and the finisher of your story. He knows when you won't move unless you're pushed. So He closes a door to push you. He allows rejection to push you. He lets the ground shake and crumble to push you. He even removes something or someone you thought you couldn't live without just to push you. The Lord watches, knowing you need to take that next step of faith. But when you hesitate, He arranges circumstances to move you forward. And it's only in hindsight, when you look back, you say, "Thank you, Lord. You closed that door. That person rejected me. I lost that thing I thought I needed. But it pushed me into the path you had prepared all along." You're okay. Listen to me. You're okay. Look at you. How beautiful you are. God made you with such care, such intention, perfection. So why let sadness convince you otherwise? Your mind may tell you lies, that you're not worthy, that you don't matter, that you mean nothing. But hear me, those are just thoughts, nothing more. They feel heavy, they feel real, but they are not the truth. You are not your thoughts. You are the one who hears them. And the fact that you can notice them means you're still here, still fighting, still trying. So breathe. Let every heartbeat remind you, you are alive. Let the storm pass, because storms always do. Behind them, the sky is clear, and that sky is you. You are not broken. You are not lost. You are chosen. You are loved. And you are still here.